we are Koo Style Team, and today I'm gonna show you how to measure your waist. So let's start. At the beginning, it's important to put together your feet like this, and then choose your waist. For example, normally it's around of the belly button, and let's see. And always be relaxed, okay?
Shall I come in?
Yeah. So you can check mine is this one, 32 inches. Yeah?
Perfect. And with that, so what can we get? If we wanted to get with 32 inches, we can go straight for...
Yeah, to have a look our jeans in Levi's, because it's different than the standard size, and that's why we recommend to measure.
Perfect.
So 32 is this in Levi's, so I can check this size for me, and yeah, that's it.
Awesome. And then, for example, in the shop, we will go to the 32 section, which is right here.
32 could be... Yeah,
And it's very
this
simple.
one, 32 waist.
Perfect. So once you've measured, you'll be able to go straight to whatever size you need in the shop or online. Perfect. Thank you so much, Elsie.